Hi, good day. My name is Arnold Linden. I'm from South Africa. I've joined the Forex Beginners Academy about 4 weeks ago. The training helped me a lot. I can now do support, resistance, pips, retracement, moving averages, trend lines, risk management, candlesticks analysis. I can read and analyze price charts on TradingView. It's like a puzzle, the way the training is being conducted from module 1 up to module 4, from lesson 1 to lesson 22. The way it is being organized, it's very helpful. Also, halfway through the training, you can join the private student group, and they can give you feedback on your markups or your chart analysis that you do and post it on, and you can share it with other students. So I will definitely recommend Forex Beginners Academy for anyone. Thank you.